welcome to K Cooking. My name is HK. I'm going to teach you how to make Korean food simply and easily. Today I'm going to show you how to make Hobak Jeon. Hobak is a squash and Jeon is a small pancake. For Hobak Jeon, we need a squash. If you cannot find the squash, you can use the regular zucchini. It will be okay. And then half cup of flour, and then a half teaspoon of salt, and then 3 eggs, and then 1 bowl and oil. I'm going to show you how to make it. It's pretty simple. Just cut edge and then just slice about 1/4 inch. After slicing, I think you guys have a small bag, so put in the squash in here and spread a little bit of flour. So if you use the bag, your kitchen will be not a mess. Close it. Shake it. Then open it. Spread the flour very evenly, like this. And then we have to mix 3 eggs together. And then half teaspoon of salt. Ta-da! Turn on high heat until pan heats and pour about 1 teaspoon of oil. When pan gets hot, turn down to about medium-low. Then just put squash into the eggs. Then put it on the pan. That's it. If you want a more color, so you can add some chopped carrot or green onions or red pepper, whatever. You can add it for the decorate. This is just optional. When bottom changes color like a golden brown, just flip over. When it's done, just transfer into the plate. Before I eat Hobak Jeon, I'm going to show you how to make sauce. So just 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of gochugaru. If you don't like spicy, you don't need to put it in. This is a sesame seed. This one also optional. So just put it together. I'm going to try it. Very unique flavors. The zucchini has a natural sweet, and then with the eggs and then a little bit of sauce, it's really good. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, subscribe, and notification. See you next time.